This is the Carbon Flyer, the world's first super tough, super fast, Bluetooth-controlled carbon fiber drone. The Carbon Flyer is the ultimate tech toy. We've created a revolutionary plane using actual carbon fiber. We've equipped the Carbon Flyer with twin high-output motors, a long-range Bluetooth control module, LED running lights, and an onboard camera.
Carbon fiber is 10 times stronger than aluminum. It has 100 times the strength to weight ratio of steel, and it is more than 1,000 times stronger than the toughest foam. This prototype right here impacted the side of buildings and concrete surfaces over a dozen times at high speed.
The Carbon Flyer can be controlled up to 240 feet away using either an Android or Apple smartphone. Bluetooth allows for a two-way communication with the plane, providing real-time battery and connectivity steps. Our interactive app allows the pilot to control the plane's airspeed, altitude, and steering using only one hand.
I'm Derek. I'm passionate about drones, and I've met many people who want to fly drones but found them really hard to control. I want to help because I feel that they're missing out on the fun of aerial filming. That's why we came up with the idea of Ghost. This is a traditional remote controller. It has many switches and knobs, which can be very hard to master. One bad move and a mistake can be very expensive. Most of the drones also require assembling, but not everyone has the time or skills to do that.
Ghost comes pre-assembled and is ready to fly right out of the box. Our app makes it super easy to pilot. Simply tap, unlock, then take off, and Ghost will rise and hover. Now tap a spot on the map, and Ghost will fly there immediately. To get it back, just hit return, and Ghost will take the shortest route back to its takeoff point. Press land, and Ghost will descend and land gently. For advanced control, tap hover to make Ghost hold the current spot and enter the micro-control mode. Here, you can adjust Ghost's direction, speed, camera angles, and more. Not only is Ghost user-friendly, it's designed with quality parts. And has great features and performance.
What's really cool about the Ghost, though, is its customizability with respect to both hardware and software. One project that I'm working on is mounting this RP LiDAR unit from RoboPeak on the Ghost drone, giving it the ability to sense its surroundings. With the data from the LiDAR, the Ghost will be able to detect obstacles like trees and buildings and adjust its flight path as necessary. I'm also really looking forward to developing the Ghost SDK, which includes libraries for both Java and C#. I also see some awesome integration possibilities with input devices like Leap Motion, Mayo, and my own device, Tact.
Simia is different from anything on the market right now in the sense that it solves the problem of how you control the entire flying, movie and image capture process from a single device. What it does is make flying easier by bringing automation of those systems inside of the flyer and allows you to concentrate on where you want the vehicle to be, the images and video you want to capture, and then to be able to rapidly share it with your friends. My name is Mark Richardson. I'm in charge of Polyhelo, which is a group of great engineers and enthusiasts building drones for people to take photographs of themselves, the environment, and just generally have fun with. I'm a former planetary scientist, and I was involved with NASA in exploration of the solar system. What's really exciting about Polyhelo is the opportunity to bring a lot of those technologies that we used in getting vehicles to land on Mars and into orbit around Venus and use those to make personal flyers easier to use.
Seemi is the first networked camera drone you control seamlessly from a single mobile app. Seemi's 1080p HD camera is housed inside of Seemi, extending down from the flyer at takeoff and retracting when it lands. Seemi is a lightweight, compact, and portable drone. You can take it anywhere in a traditional camera bag. Seemi's legs detach easily for travel and storage, part replacement, and for future component upgrades. Seemi has multiple flight modes, including orbit, pano, follow, and manual control. Seemi can orbit clockwise or counterclockwise around you. In pano mode, Seemi will remain in a fixed position while turning and capturing amazing panoramic shots. For follow mode shots, Seemi includes an attachable water and sweat-proof tracking device. This rugged GPS tracker enables you to put your mobile device down and focus completely on your task. In follow mode, Seemi will adjust to your position, as well as to increases and decreases in speed, so you don't even have to think about Seemi. When flying Seemi manually, you can select where you want the flyer to go next. Just enter your chosen destination, and Seemi will take off and wait there for you. And your aerial video and photos will be completely stable, because Seemi's in-house camera unit is controlled on a unique 2-axis micro gimbal, which automatically adjusts itself at every turn.
So the Yoshima Core is a flight control computer at the heart of Seemi. It's a powerful little computer that takes care of all the flight control algorithms, figuring out how to keep the vehicle stable, its ability to understand where up and down is, when it's moving strongly in one direction, and it plugs into the GPS system, allowing for a full navigation solution.
While in flight, Seemi allows you to live feed videos straight to your mobile device. Then you can instantly upload your videos and images to any social media platform with an open API. You can share your video and grow your social following before Seemi touches down.
What do you think it takes to get high-quality drone footage like this? A professional drone operator? A cameraman? Expensive equipment? Or simply
this!
Introducing the Sci-Fi Level 1 drone, a drone that lets absolutely anyone capture footage like never before. Sci-Fi's Level Up technology is the real breakthrough. By using 6 rotors, the drone can fly without tilting, making it simple and intuitive enough for anyone to fly. Plus, you get professional, stable footage without an exposed gimbal. Because Level Up gets rid of the usual multi-rotor wild tilting, the interface can be simplified. To fly, just swipe. Swiping is a superior interface that allows you to see what you're capturing while flying, unlike tilting or joystick-only navigation. Our flying interface can be downloaded as an app on your smartphone. It's simple, accurate, and fun. Because drone flying is better when it's shared, the Level 1 can post shots and video real-time to your social network of choice. And with the new geofence technology, you can define the area in which you want to fly. Your drone will stay within your boundaries of choice, allowing everyone from beginners to experts to practice their piloting skills with confidence.
So far, Sci-Fi Works has been building drones for industrial application. But we want to bring our drone inventions to everyone at consumer-friendly prices. Plus, we just love robots.
So really, we put our full technological expertise into designing a drone for the consumer that gives professional video quality and stability, but doesn't require professional knowledge to fly it. Our drone will come with a 1080p high-quality camera, and it will be ready out of the box for everything from family videos to action filming.
Thanks to the Sci-Fi Level 1's capabilities, instead of worrying about the drone itself, you can focus on the experience. The Sci-Fi Level 1 is simple to fly, captures exactly what you want, and shares it in real time. This is the first drone for absolutely everyone from the drone company, SiFi.
We're really excited to introduce the Plexi drone. We have thought about the things that people don't really think about. How do you improve drone technology? How do you make it accessible to everyone? How do you inspire people to create using drone technology?
At DreamKey Robotics, we believe technology should be building bridges towards new levels of creativity and productivity rather than barriers, and the Plexi drone is one of those technologies.
A drone that you can snap together and take apart in less than 1 minute. And when you're done, you just put it into your hardshell backpack and take it anywhere that you want to go.
The Plexi Pack is something we designed in order to carry everything you need to capture all the great shots that you want and carry it with you everywhere you go. Anywhere you can go with a backpack, you can take the Plexi drone.
With the Plexi drone, you can carry more than just a camera. With very simple payload clips, you're able to just snap on whatever it is that you want to put on there. It's so simple. Another unique feature about the Plexi drone is that it has retractable landing gear.
You will no longer have any kind of junk in your shot. You never have to crop anything out at the bottom. It's just going to be clear, beautiful 360 view.
On the Plexi drone, GPS Follow Me is an amazing feature. All that you do is press Follow Me on your mobile device, on your phone or your tablet, and it's as easy as that.
It's going to be very, very easy to use. Everybody has a smartphone now. Great, now you just saved yourself $800 for a controller.
Aside from that, you're also able to control more than one of them at the same time.
You will definitely find no drones that you can control using our swarm technology. It's completely new, something you won't find anywhere else.
That means that you're able to view the same scene from multiple vantage points. You get the same shot with one user, but many drones.
Our drone is equipped with an ultrasonic sensor at the front of it. It'll flash its lights and give you an audio message to let you know that you're getting in its path.
You don't have to interpret blinking LED lights because it tells you in its own voice.
Initialization sequence completed. Are you even going to use me?
The Plexi drone is going to unleash new dimensions of creativity and productivity and take your camera to places that you never thought were possible.